The biggest thing that we're showcasing here is this user interface.
The real benefit is that it uses resistive heating to preheat your wire.
Plus you're reaching off the cart on 3 sides. You can move the cart to the part rather than the opposite. Yeah.
I've always been impressed by how Lincoln Electric's always been kind of the cutting edge of welding technology and even beyond.
I feel like Lincoln has always been leading because that's why I bought a Python 7 years ago.
I'm really impressed about a lot of equipment and new upgrades and things that's out here.
I own a Python beamline, I own a Python plasma table, number 11 in the world, and I need something that will help automate welding. But this one is actually perfect because it can move in almost a 360-degree radius and weld 3 or 4 things at one time while I position one, take one out, and 4 welders to 1 welder is a big deal to me.
A lot of cutting and burning right there, already process already done. You know, where we do it manually, that there comes already to us, so all the thing we got to do is fabricate it.